QNT continues to hold within our key area of support that lies between the $68.4 and the $61.3. And at the time of this recording, we have also lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, flipping it back into resistance. And on today's video, I will be discussing the key scenarios that can play out in case we continue holding within this key area of support, and also give you alternative scenarios that can play out in case we see a breakout move to the lower side. Above all, I will be discussing my long-term price prediction analysis, giving you key areas on the daily chart that we need to continue holding in the next coming days. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out BitGet, which is my go-to exchange. And you can see that on sign up, you can now claim a welcome pack of up to 6,200 USDT. And all you need to have for registration is an email, and alternatively, you can use your phone number for registration. Jumping back to the charts, here on the 4-hour chart, I have an Elliot wave structure that I have been tracking from the lows that we made on the 6th of September, where you can see that we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the $81, giving us the high for this Elliot wave count 1. And after we picked in that Elliot wave count 1, we started a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 over here, whose minimum target areas were given by connecting the fibs from the lows down there to the highs above the $81, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that is between the $68.5 and the $61.3, an area that we have now almost fully maximized. And there are two possible scenarios that can play out, and the first one is that in the next coming hours we might see further breakdown moves in a move that can continue holding within this target area, give us one more new low in this Elliot wave count 2, and the moment we have a low in place, then I will be expecting to see QNT give us a bounce to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3, then expect a wave 4 and a wave 5, taking us back above the $100 mark. And we also need to have in mind that in that breakdown move, we can also see a breakdown move, but in that case scenario, we might see that that breakdown move has given us a break to the lower side of this target area over here, and that means that that will be unlocking further breakdown moves that can give us a reset of the lows that we made on the 6th of September down here. And the moment we lose $56, which is the low over here, then I will be expecting further breakdown moves to give us a reset of the lows that we made on the 5th of August below the $50. And the moment that plays out, that will be putting QNT at a higher risk of further breakdown moves, and that is better seen here on the daily chart, because on the daily chart, I believe that we got our bear market lows below the $40, and so a very nice bounce to the upside in a 5-wave structure over here that peaked above the $229, completing the formation of this Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a pullback in the formation of this Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas were given by connecting the fibs from the lows, from the bear market lows to the highs above the $229, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78 as a maximum, an area that I have marked on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that we have not fully maximized. And you can see that at some point we lost the fib level 0.78, and we saw a breakdown move to the fib level 0.88, which is the last line of support on the Fibonacci, and that lies above the $62.9. And in case in the next coming hours we continue seeing further breakdown moves, that means that we are going to see QNT losing the fib level 0.88 once again. And the moment that plays out, then we have a high risk that QNT can easily give us a total breakdown move to give us a reset of the bear market lows below the $40.1. And the moment that plays out, we also have a higher risk of seeing new bear market lows before maybe we can now start thinking of a 5-wave structure to the upside that can maybe take us to new all-time highs. So that is something that we need to have in mind and continue watching for support above the $62.9, because if by any chance we lose that key area of support once again, then $40.1 is imminent. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.